plan?
We are going to Universal. We've got a check-in for our Unmasked behind the scenes tour.
Cool.
Unmasked Horror.
I don't know. I've called it everything that it's not.
So we've got a check-in for that. That starts at 9:30. So we're going to set off now and go and get on the shuttle and go and do that.
Yeah, we should get there just in time. We weren't 100% sure what time it started because we knew it was a morning one, but there's 3.
Yeah, 9:30 or 10. So I just went on chat last night in the app.
Because it didn't say on our booking or anything. So, yeah. So, how many houses have we got to do?
6.
6
so
houses.
3 in the morning, then break for lunch, and then 3 more. So it was the ones we did last night.
Yeah, so we managed to get all the houses that we hadn't seen last night in, if you know what I mean, for the tour today. So, I'm excited.
Mm-hmm. And we also need to go to guest services and renew our annual pass because if we do it at the minute, we get 15 months instead of 12. And because it's a renewal, you get 20% off.
Cool.
So we may as well do that today.
Yeah, sounds like a plan.
Okay, let's go.
Excited.
lunch break, Panda Express.
Yeah, so we've done our first 3 houses. It is 12:04 now. So we've come out, we got out a little bit early, having our lunch, and we got to be back by 12:55 for the second part of the tour. We did
the Jewel and Dragons.
Jewel and Dragons, Stranger Things. What was the first one? Oh, Blood Moon, which was really nice inside. I can't believe I forgot that. Yeah. So they were great. That was really nice.
So you're not allowed to film inside them.
So you can't film inside, yeah. But we took some photos where we were allowed to, and yeah, we've got 3 more houses to do when we get back. The tour should last till about 3 p.m. We've got Yeti, which I'm really looking forward to.
I'm gonna have a look.
No.
Universal Monsters Unmasked, Chucky Ultimate Kill Count, and Yeti Campground Kills. We've done Stranger Things 4, Dueling Dragons, and Blood Moon Dark Offerings. Stranger Things was my favourite. I did like Blood Moon as well.
Stranger Things was really like pretty, and I did notice the ceiling, the upside down ceiling portal.
Yeah.
Which looked really good. So I'll have to keep an eye out for that when we go back through. But
yeah, because there's a bit where you walk through on the series where they're pulling them through.
Yeah.
From the upside down in the trailer, and we just walked through that. We must have got distracted by Steve.
Yeah.
But anyway, we've got Panda Express. We've both got orange chicken, which is delicious. And I've got black pepper steak, which is also really nice. I feel like you can't go wrong with Panda Express.
No. I'm just struggling. I'm so hungry. We're gonna grab a Starbucks and get back in. It's only 10 past.
It was freezing in the house, wasn't it?
Yeah, if you do these tours, bring a jacket. Because the aircon is like on in full blast in the sound studios. I don't know if it's actually aircon or if they're just cold buildings.
Yeah, maybe. Well, he said it was because of the insulation. They keep them really cold. Because of the sound insulation, they were 99% soundproof. And that's why it's so cold in there.
So if you've never been on the tour before, you get these little lanyard and a little transponder thingy. Click your headphones in. Just so you can hear the tour guide, but to be fair, he was only ever a few feet in front of you. So I kept getting a little bit of static on mine, so I just took it out in the end.
Yeah, I kept getting feedback.
Yeah, and feedback was good.
Always.
Okay.
The guy's really cute as well.
Yeah, he's very sweet. Our last guy was really cute.
He said he's worked for Universal for like 15 years. And he started off as a Halloween Horror Nights fan. And then worked Halloween Horror Nights and now he's a tour guide.
That's the dream though, isn't it? Like the guy who, the producer or set designer, sorry, for the last couple of really famous houses, Dead Man's Pier. What was that actually called? Dead Man's Pier? Yeah, I think it was. And Blood Moon this year is the same guy, and he is like an Uber HHN nerd. He knows where everything is. He like, and that's like before you even had the job. So that's like living the dream. He's come full circle and been a fan to being the most popular set designer. So there is hope. Based on before seeing the behind the scenes and after is Yeti and
Was that your favourite segment?
yeah, they're my two favourites, and I haven't seen the behind the scenes, that's still my two favourites.
Yeah, I think I like Universal Monsters. I still like Stranger Things. But I'm still like
And we're back.
So we're back in the room. We've had some painkillers because we were both
old. We're really old, and it takes it out of us walking around.
Why do your hips hurt so much when you lift your leg up to go up the stairs?
It's not even my hips, it's my back, my hips, my feet. And yesterday I took a painkiller for my toe. This is getting old. This is just...
No.
Listen,
Did you enjoy the tour?
Yeah, I loved it.
Yeah, it was really
good
good.
every time.
So to summarise it, I've written it down so I know. It was $180 each for the for the Halloween Horror Nights. 6 house behind the screams and masking the horror. And we saw Chucky, Kill Count.
You're trying to do this without looking
Universal
at this.
Monsters Unmasked. Yeti, Campground Kills.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shall I test you?
Yeah, go
Blood
on.
Moon.
Blood Moon Dark Offerings.
Dueling Dragons.
Dueling Offerings. Tuesday
Fate.
One more missing.
Monsters.
I've done that one.
Chucky. Stranger Things.
Stranger Things. How could I forget that one? It was my favourite.
We've also I think we are jet lagged because we've never had this kind of brain fog like on
Well,
a
you
trip
might be
before.
jet lagged. I think I'm just in the menopause. Very menopausal.
Sympathy menopause. Crap.
So that's a 6 house tour. They also do a 3 house, and if you do both of them, which is all 9 houses.
Well, it's 9 of the 10 houses.
Yeah.
There's always one house they don't do, and it's usually because it's
He said it was some IP.
Yeah.
If the IP.
Or if it's just, he said if
fine.
it's one of the, like, not the pop-up, he gave a phrase, it wasn't 3D, what was it? Maybe it was
Oh
3D.
no, he did. He said sometimes so some of them just don't work with the lights on as a tour, so they do like 3D houses and like the the glow in the dark kind of things. Yeah, so
They are. Like illusions and stuff.
no, so there was one years ago which was Penn and Teller,
Right.
and then there was a Alice in Wonderland one as well,
Okay.
and it's all like high vis like UV paint.
Alright, so you
So when
switch
the lights are on,
and
it just looks like
minging.
shit,
Yeah,
basically.
okay. Well, this year it was The Exorcist house. We didn't go in that.
Yeah.
Nobody's going in that one.
But that could be, so there's no UV in there, so that's probably an IP thing then, isn't it?
Well, it maybe because it's the plot to the story.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Yeah.
to the movie.
And then we also found out, so last year when we were there was a few little things that you had to find in the houses, and this year it's little froggies.
Yeah, so we saw
So,
all the frogs
all the
apart
frogs.
from the 3 that we didn't go in.
Yeah, so didn't he say The Exorcist has one and it's got
above
horns?
a door or something.
Yeah.
We'll never find it, but we'll look.
So we've took quite a lot of pictures. You're not allowed to film in there, you're not allowed to film or tape
Okay.
or like record audio, but there's certain places you can take photographs and certain places you can't. So we took as many photos as we could. So I'm gonna put them together as a little montage.
Ooh, look at you.
So what we're gonna do later?
I don't know. I'm waiting for the pain to subside.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I've had a couple of ibuprofen. I reckon I would like to lay out.
Yeah. So we
Lay
might
out and bake.
go outside. Also, we also renewed our annual passes. So our annual passes ran out on the 10th of October, but you get 30 days grace to renew them. And when we renewed them, so every now and again they'll do special offers on renewal. So if you renew them, you automatically get 20% off your renewal price. So it's 20% cheaper than it is to buy them the first time. But they're also doing an offer at the minute where you get 15 months instead of 12. So we updated them to 15 months, but I downgraded my pass because I had preferred. The reason we got preferred is because you get free parking and also 10% off merch.
But we never drive to the
We
parks.
don't ever drive to the
We
parks.
always get the bus.
Yeah,
we
so
drive to Disney, but we never drive to Universal because we're always staying in a hotel.
Yeah, so we always get the shuttle in. We kept it as the 3 parks because we're going to do Volcano Bay. But this means when we come back next October, or if we do any little mini trips between then, we don't have to buy passes again for
It should stretch
Universal.
for that trip as well. Well, that's good.
And I feel like it always works out as well, especially the seasonal pass always works out better if you're here for 3 weeks and you do Universal a lot,
Yeah.
because I think it's only slightly more than a 14-day pass.
Yeah.
So, in fact, I can tell you how much it was for the 2. It was $739.84 for the 2 passes, so $894. That just heard your heart break.
I think I've just followed through. These are not little prices we're talking about anymore.
No, they're
I
not.
feel like I'm pretty new to the game, and I feel like these are some pretty shocking numbers. But what do I know? People have been doing it for decades. Well, not decades. How long has Halloween Horror Nights been going? Like 20 years, maybe?
32, this is
Yeah.
32. You know, Halloween Horror Nights is 32 that we've
How
got
did you figure that out? Alright, so decades then. I was right the first time.
But that's not for Halloween Horror Nights, that's for Universal Park. Halloween
What?
Horror Nights ticket just keeps
But it's
going up
Halloween
every
Horror
year.
Nights 32, so it must be their 32nd Halloween Horror Nights.
Yeah, but it's not 32 years since the park's been open.
No, I just mean like Halloween Horror Nights. And he said the first night it was $15. It was only one night.
house.
No, it was 3 nights and it was one house. God, it sounds so easy to get around. Yeah.
Yeah, so the first time I bought a Halloween Horror Nights ticket was in 2012, and it was the frequent fear plus express. So that's frequent fear plus Fridays plus express, and I believe it was £289.
Yeah. Between like the events that you want to do between Universal and Disney, they've really got you like
Yeah, they've ramped the prices up.
bent over a barrel. So if this is like, you know, like we watch a lot of YouTubers that are like Disney YouTubers, mainly Disney like vloggers, sorry, and they never have a bad word for the most part to say about it. I'm here to be a breath of fresh air. I'll whinge about it. I think it's pretty expensive, but
Yeah.
I said it.
So a lot of the times I just book the tickets and don't tell you how much.
Yeah, you do. It's really stressful. It's really stressful. I don't know why you think that would be less stressful. And then you spring it on me like it's, and I'm just like, what? And I'm going through my wallet like, no, I'm not ready for it. Yeah.
Okay, well, enough about that.
A little bit of truth for you. Everyone will be like, oh, we're not watching these two. Don't want to know.
So I think later on we've got something to pick up from an Amazon locker. We bought a little travel kettle because the coffee machine just isn't cutting it on the morning.
No.
So we're gonna go and pick that up and maybe go out for a bite to eat. And I said possibly the cinema. Depending on how we feel.
We'll see.
You know when you lay out by the pool and then you just want to go to sleep.
Yeah,
That
I mean,
might
I'm
happen.
kind of looking at the pool side as bedtime. What are our plans tomorrow?
So it's Saturday tomorrow, so we haven't particularly got anything planned.
Do you want to go to Volcano Bay, or do you think it'll be really busy on
Yeah,
Saturday?
we'll go to Volcano Bay.
Okay.
It doesn't look that busy right now.
If you wonder why I'm staring into the distance, it's because I'm distracted by it. I keep staring at it.
Yeah, so there's the little pool, doesn't
It
look
just did a
too
big-
busy.
What do you call it? Like an eruption.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know what you thought I was going to say.
There's just a few little... It's a small crowd. Okay, so I'm going to gather some belongings together and we're going to maybe go down to Volcano Bay instead of the pool.
Yeah. It's either sleep here or sleep by the pool. So I think sleep by the pool is probably
Outside.
the best bet. Yeah, why
The
not?
most of the outside.
Hopefully we don't. So I didn't take melatonin last night, neither of us did. I woke up at 5 a.m.
I might
again.
have took one.
You cheat. You told me we weren't taking
I know,
them,
but then
so
I
I
couldn't-
didn't take them, and I woke up at 5 alone.
Well, then I couldn't
And you were just
sleep.
going,
I couldn't sleep because I had them wiggly legs going on, so I thought I'd take one. I just took one and I did wake up a lot
That's
easier.
Shan, that.
I was woke up by a strange phone call that I still don't know who it was, but never mind.
yeah, that was creepy. Well, that woke me up. I didn't go back.
No voicemail. We're just waffling now.
Yeah.
Okay. See you later.